MusicNomad's precision fret gauge includes 4 key measurements for evaluating frets and diagnosing possible fret issues around fret levelness, fret seating, fret height, and fret size. Use the gauge for all instruments, including acoustic, electric, and bass guitars. Our smooth and precision stainless steel comes without the annoying messy oil found on traditional feeler gauge sets. There are easy-to-follow instructions printed right on the handle, and we even included a convenient hang hole. To ensure years of use and the markings won't rub off, we laser etch the inch and millimeter sizes along with the fret diagnostic type. It works in tandem with MusicNomad's Precision Fret Rocker Plus that is sold separately, making the perfect fret evaluation tool combo for all fretted instruments, including acoustic, electric, and bass guitars. For more videos on how to perform guitar setups or care for your frets, subscribe to our channel and visit musicnomadcare.com for all our products and how-to videos.